Hello, and welcome to this lesson on suspicious emails. A phishing email is an attempt to gain your trust through deceptive means in order to gain access to your personal information. These tactics are always changing, but there are some aspects of the attack that remain the same and have signs that you can tell that you are not receiving a legitimate email from a legitimate company. Hackers can gain access to your email address via the dark web or other means. You hear about data breaches happening all the time to big corporations. What this means is, if you had an account with the company that had a data breach, your personal information could have been stolen. This is how the bad guys get your email address, phone number, and other personal information. Let's analyze a suspicious email. Most of the time, these will end up in your spam folder. First, I'm going to read the email. Dear Matic user, we have detected that you're no longer using our service for a long time. Okay, Mr. Customer, what we will do. We will just send you a check for your refund via email. Therefore, we are generating a refund of $560 for you. Typically, it takes 2 to 3 business days for you to receive your check. We will send you a tracking number to the email address you provided once the check has been processed on our end, so you can track the update of the package online. To claiming your check, you need to generate your refunding ID and password, which is only generated on your computer only, or you need to proceed for another process. The first hint, if we look at the From section, it says Linda McGregor, but the email address says Susan, randomnumbers@gmail.com, and at the bottom it says Steve Johnson. We can see the From email by hovering our mouse over the name in the From section. The second hint is the generic greeting, and also the generic addressing of the customer. These emails will also contain grammatical errors. The third hint is the contents of the email. They want to send a $560 refund for not using the product. A legitimate business will want to try and find out why you haven't been using the product and if there's anything that they can assist you with. If something sounds too good to be true, then it usually is. The fourth hint is the sender wants you to click a link to generate the refund. If they were truly sending a refund, you wouldn't have to complete any steps, as the company would already have your billing information to process the refund. The fifth and last hint is that none of the links have Matic in the URL. There is one for fast support, AnyDesk, and Supremo Control. None of these URLs are associated with Matic. If you find an email like this in your inbox, you can ignore it, mark it as spam, or delete it. As long as you did not click any of the links in the email, there's nothing to worry about. I hope you found this lesson useful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.